134, same exact. Rolling in at a 156.238. 156.238. Lemon will run through at a 131.306.
Wow.
Matt will go 139.805. So we saw this one run 167 on its maiden voyage, and right now, Fast Eddie in the warning hall, the Wizard Page. Turbo comes on. Got a two-style on it. You just have to hit that black button, let the turbo break, the whole song, let the button off, and then hang on. This time, 173. Yeah, boy, that's a $5 cigar. In a $2 one. Gilder off on her next run and cruised on to 800. He will go 119.008. 119.008. This time through. Ron says right there, sets the sled. Shelby says, okay, can I go now? Yep, you can. Just go ahead, Shelby. Shelby, right. 171.4. Shelby will be through at a 102.857. That'll get it done. At the mark, 102.
The open mod 500 class, the SRC Rotax. Hit that 135 plus. What'll Sammy turn this time through? And how about a 132.515? 132. 5:15. Matt Wink on his Polaris Storm out of New Ulm mod, 1100 cc. Remember when all the mods look like this? You just lay down on them and saddle up. At the end of the day, these guys feel it. I mean to tell you, these things pull hard. Dick McCann will go 133, 127. 133, 127. We'll run to the 4 o'clock. Stacy's happy. That's all that matters. Well, we got to get the clean-out thing off. That'll make that guy happy. Again, Matt Wink. Matt Wink on the wall. What do we got this trip? How about a 142.574? 142.574. Tristan Wirtz, vintage stock D. Needs to go 84 mile-an-hour plus. See what Tristan can do here this afternoon. Vintage stock D. And no, she will go 69, 120. Randy Walnut. Pro stock 800 and goes 133, 333. 500 class. Open mod 500. Just a metal and a motor and a track. And what'll she turn this time? A 132, 312 for Sammy Christensen. 132, 312. Tennille Shellbach. And Rick says to Tennille, it's all yours, young lady. Here we go. Tennille Shellbach guides it down the 1,000-foot track, and she'll go a 144 flat. 144 even for Tennille Shellbach. Tia Van Gelder, here we go. Improved stock 800 out of East Gull Lake. And Tia will hit the timers at a 129.924. 171.428 his last run. That 2013 Arctic Cat Turbo. See what he can trip this time. Can he hit that top speed of 174, 8, 7, 8, 8, 9, Final run of the day for Sullivan, and he will go 171.089.